Welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing 5 best cordless electric mops, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. AlfaBot WS 24 Cordless Spin Mop. The AlfaBot WS 24 Cordless Spin Mop redefines effortless cleaning with its double spin head technology. Equipped with powerful dual motors spinning at 150 R/min, this mop automatically propels forward, making it easy to tackle stubborn stains and dirt on kitchen and home floors. Lightweight and user-friendly, it's perfect for children, the elderly, and even pregnant women. Just guide it, no heavy pushing required. The cordless design offers ultimate freedom, featuring a 2000 mAh 30W lithium rechargeable battery. With 40 to 50 minutes of runtime, you can clean up to 2,000 square feet on a single 4-hour charge. The modular battery allows for fast and convenient recharging, ensuring your mop is always ready for action. Designed with style and functionality, the built-in 180 milliliters water tank offers easy spraying for wet cleaning, while the LED headlight illuminates dark corners and spaces under furniture, ensuring nothing is missed. The adjustable handle, 37.4 inch to 48.4 and 180 degrees side to side and 90 degrees front to back swivel provide access to hard-to-reach areas, eliminating backaches and discomfort. Ideal for a variety of surfaces, including hardwood, marble, ceramic tiles, and bathroom floors, the AlfaBot WS 24 efficiently removes footprints, pet hair, sebum stains, dust, and even invisible bacteria. Whether maintaining a pristine home or encouraging a healthy cleaning habit, this mop is a perfect addition to any household, offering a clean and comfortable living environment. Number 2. EOUS Cordless Electric Mop. The electric spin mop delivers powerful and efficient cleaning with its 2,550 mAh battery, providing up to 60 minutes of runtime on just 2.5 hours of fast charging. Whether wet mopping for 40 minutes or dry mopping for a full hour, this mop ensures uninterrupted, hassle-free cleaning sessions. Equipped with dual motors spinning at 250 R/min, the mop tackles stubborn stains and dirt with ease, offering spotless floors even on the toughest cleaning jobs. The 300 milliliters water tank allows you to add diluted cleaning solutions and control the spray output with a simple button, while the LED lights illuminate hidden stains under furniture and in corners for a truly thorough clean. The adjustable tube swings 180 degrees left-right and 90 degrees front-back, offering flexibility to reach every corner of your home. Its self-propelled design moves forward effortlessly, allowing you to guide it with just a gentle twist of the handle. Operating at a whisper-quiet level of under 50 dB, this mop maintains a peaceful atmosphere while keeping your floors pristine. Designed for convenience, the mop is lightweight, easy to handle, and stands upright on its own, making storage in tight spaces a breeze. The washable mop pads are simple to detach and can be machine or hand washed, ensuring fresh and hygienic cleaning every time. Ideal for maintaining a clean, serene home with minimal effort. Number 3. AlfaBot S2 Cordless Electric Mop. The AlfaBot S2 Cordless Spin Mop offers a powerful, user-friendly solution for spotless floors with its dual spin head technology. The dual motor system spins at 200 R/min, automatically propelling the mop forward to tackle stubborn stains and dirt with minimal effort. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it's perfect for children, the elderly, and pregnant women, providing a safe and effective cleaning experience for everyone. With a 400 milliliters water tank, this mop makes wet cleaning a breeze. The built-in LED light illuminates dark corners under beds and hard-to-reach areas, ensuring nothing is left behind. The adjustable handle ranges from 37.4 foot to 48.4, allowing comfortable use without bending or straining. Its flexible 180 degrees side-to-side and 90 degrees front-to-back swivel design makes it ideal for cleaning tight spaces with ease. The cordless design is powered by a robust 2,600 mAh 30W lithium rechargeable battery, offering up to 60 minutes of continuous mopping. With a quick 4 to 5 hour charge, the AlfaBot S2 can effortlessly clean up to 2,500 square feet, providing long-lasting performance for larger homes or spaces. Designed with convenience in mind, the AlfaBot S2 moves on its own, so you only need to guide it. It's a perfect gift for kids who love to help with chores, turning cleaning into a fun and rewarding activity. Number 4. Shark VACMOP Pro Cordless Mop. The VACMOP Pro Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner delivers a complete clean in one sleek, lightweight device. Combining powerful suction with spray mopping, this versatile tool tackles tough messes and stuck-on stains effortlessly. Unlike traditional pads that push debris around, the disposable VACMOP pad captures dirt and debris with ease, locking it away for a truly spotless finish. No clogs, no mess. With on-demand spray control, you can target stubborn stains at the touch of a button, while the powerful LED headlights illuminate hidden debris in hard-to-see places. The cordless design, powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, offers freedom of movement, making cleaning quick and hassle-free. Weighing under 5 pounds, the VACMOP Pro is easy to maneuver, perfect for every room in your home. No touchpad disposal ensures hygienic cleaning. Simply toss the disposable pad when done. No need for filters or maintenance, just replace the pad and go. The VACMOP Pro includes 4 disposable pads, 1 bottle of 12-ounce cleaning solution, and 1 charger, giving you everything you need to start cleaning right away. Number 5. Dual Motor Cordless Electric Mop. The cordless electric mop redefines cleaning convenience with its advanced cordless design, eliminating tangled cords and offering freedom of movement. Equipped with LED headlights and a water sprayer, this mop delivers a worry-free cleaning experience, allowing you to tackle multiple rooms with a 60-minute runtime on a single charge. Featuring dual rotating heads with 160 R/min speed, the electric mop effortlessly glides forward, scrubbing away stubborn stains and leaving floors with a polished gleam. This user-friendly design is perfect for children, elderly, and everyone in between, ensuring effective cleaning with minimal effort. The adjustable handle extends from 37.6 to 49.2 inches, and the 180 degrees sideways and 90 degrees forward-backward rotation make cleaning hard-to-reach corners a breeze. Say goodbye to back pain and knee strain with its ergonomic design. One-touch control simplifies operation. Press to power on-off, and activate the spray function for continuous cleaning and efficient hydration. The self-propelled feature requires only a gentle push, reducing physical effort and making it ideal for home and commercial environments. Powered by a 2,000 mAh battery with fast charging technology, this mop is ready for action after 4 to 5 hours of charging, covering over 2,000 square feet with ease. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.